If you've been wondering how you can remove a background from your photo, image, picture, whatever you call it, we've got you. And this is definitely the right video for you. But first, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your AI girl Nelly, generated by Lania Karim. It's always good to have you back on our channel. And if you are new here, you are most definitely welcome to the home of the most informative videos. Okay? And like we said in the beginning, we will be showing you how to remove a background from your image in less than 5 minutes. And if you continue watching this video to the end, we will be spilling all the tea on how to move abroad, how you can find jobs abroad, how you can find fully funded scholarships abroad. Everything is in this video. Like on this channel, we are all about technology and immigration. And if that's a subject that interests you, you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So you are going to go to your favorite web browser and you will type in remove.bj. Then you will click on search and it will bring you this website. Then you'll just click on it like this. So it will bring you to this page like you can see here. And just in case they ask you for like if they ask you to sign up or log in, like you can sign up with your Google account or like just create a new account with them. But you can just come here and click on upload. Then you will choose an image that you want to remove the background from. I'll just go to my desktop and choose the image that I want to work with. Then you upload the image. So what's interesting is that it will automatically erase the background for you. Then all you have to do is to click here and you download the image on your computer or your phone. And guys, if you haven't watched this video of how to remove a watermark from your image or your video, we have a fully detailed video that guides you step by step on how to do it, and we've linked it in the description down below. And if you're also interested in learning about like how to create realistic looking avatars, just like myself, the way you saw me in the beginning, you can also watch this video right here. We've also linked it in the description down below. And one more thing, guys, on this channel, we are all about technology and also immigration. So if you are interested in topics of how to immigrate abroad, we have our most recent video that shows you how to move or immigrate to Canada as a caregiver on a new pilot program. You can watch it, and you can also check out our YouTube channel for more content like that. Be it you're seeking for fully funded scholarships abroad, or you're looking for jobs abroad, or you just want to move with your family in general. Like, we always upload videos that are very informative about these subjects. So guys, we kindly request you to like our video, share the video, subscribe to our channel, and obviously ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content of this sort. We love you so much and see you in our next one, guys. Bye.